So these floors that Leo has just almost completed are 55 years old. They are linoleum, and we had planned to put in $8,000 worth of tile. And Leo came and said, "Hey, I think I could bring this back to life," and boy, he sure has. And it's amazing. 55-year-old linoleum, and he's been able to resurrect them. It's remarkable. So thank you, Leo.
No, thank you.
So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance, dance. Stop the feeling, yeah. So keep dancing.
Here you have it. Whether you're buying, selling, or renting, and you're trying to clean, polish, or redo your floors, give us a call. One Stop Cleaning and One Stop Home Services.